In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Roblox Account Manager. So all you have to do is just download this file. You just have to copy this browser. And as you can see, Roblox Account Manager, and make sure you have downloaded this. Once you have downloaded, make sure to extract your, once you have downloaded, make sure you have to extract the RAR file and to install and just install the game and update the game. Now, once you have done that, you could see this up, a Roblox Account Manager. Now, you just have to pick default encryption and password lock. So, password lock, it allows sharing your account data across multiple devices and is recommended in order to prevent loss of data. The default encryption doesn't allow sharing your account data across multiple devices unless you manually decrypt the data. So I should have just to use the password lock. Make sure you put your own password. Done filling up, you just have to click continue. Fill up again. Now once it's done, just click continue. As you can see, you just have to add account in here. You could open the browser, remove the account, or you could add the account. Now you could also the place ID. This is the current ID, place ID, and the job ID. And there's just this is the save button. Now this is the username, alias, and description. Now, if you want to have a multiple account in here, you just have to click settings. And as you can see, just click this multi Roblox. And once you click that, this is where you have to log in your Roblox. And once you have logged in your Roblox, the account could also appear here, as you can see. And once you have done that, just log in your Roblox, multiple Roblox, and you could open them one by one. Anytime you could open them and you could play them together. You could open the Roblox multiple times with multiple accounts, and you could also join the account all together in one server. As you can see, you just have to press the username in here, just fill up the username in here, and you just have to join server of that player. And that's it.